Sustainable fashion trends. Sustainable fashion is not just a trend but a global movement aimed at changing the way we produce, consume, and think about fashion. Here are some key highlights of the current sustainable fashion trends. 1. Use of recycled and natural materials. Recycled fabrics, utilizing materials from old products such as plastic bottles, used clothes, or waste from industrial processes. Natural fibers, prioritizing organic fibers like organic cotton, linen, hemp, and pineapple leaf fiber. These materials often avoid the use of chemicals during production, minimizing negative environmental impacts. 2. Environmentally friendly production processes. Chemical-free production, minimizing or completely eliminating the use of harmful chemicals in the production process. Water conservation, implementing new technologies to reduce the amount of water used in dyeing and washing processes. 3. Local and fair production. Fair labor, ensuring fair and safe working conditions for laborers, often certified by organizations like Fair Trade. Supporting local communities, encouraging local production to reduce carbon emissions from transportation and support the economic development of communities. 4. Sustainable and quality design. Timeless fashion, designing products with timeless and durable styles to avoid frequent replacements. High quality, producing high-quality, sustainable products to extend the lifespan of the items. 5. Circular fashion business models. Recycling and reusing, promoting the recycling, reuse, and repair of old clothes instead of discarding them. Renting and sharing. The business model of renting clothes or sharing wardrobes is becoming popular, helping reduce the need for new production. Sustainable fashion is a movement aimed not only at protecting the environment, but also at ensuring social and economic equity. By choosing sustainable fashion products, consumers contribute to reducing the negative impact on the planet while supporting local communities and economies.